Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. It's 9:49, 9:50 almost. So I just came home and I was hungry. So my breakfast is here. I knew for some reason my mom might have prepared something like upma or some rice. So I went and got chips, without which I cannot have. She also prepared this papad, but chips is must. So this is called bisi bele bath, and this is Bingo Yamito's chili flavor chips, and this is papad. I will have my breakfast and then see you all. I'll take you to through the day today. I don't know what am I gonna do, but we'll see. Hi guys, I'm done with breakfast. I opened Instagram and I saw Urvi Designs. She put a new YouTube video, so I was just about to watch that. Rather, I'm watching it now. I don't know if the mic is picking up the audio, so I'm gonna watch that because thoda sa refreshment. It's only 7 to 8 minutes, so I'm gonna watch that and we'll see what I got to do next.
A few moments later.
Hi you guys, I changed my outfit and guess what? It's sunny day after so long. Like Bangalore, I haven't seen sun since very long. Feel like sitting here for some time. Thinking of doing something, some sort of DIY that I saw in wow, yes, sunlight after so long. I was going through maybe Myntra or Ajio. I'm not sure. So when I was going through the heels section, I saw, maybe if I get somewhere I'll pop here on the screen. I saw this heel, and I felt like it's not like it can be done at home. Like I myself can do it at home, like DIY it and something. So I'm gonna try it. I have a very old heel that's I mean, like I am not wearing it now. I'll show you why in the next clips. I need to keep checking the mic thing because every time I'm like facing this, it suddenly goes off and I end up being like fool here, just blabber, but it's not recording. So I have this heel which is pretty good, but this elastic thing is gone. I swear I've not even worn this like twice or thrice that it's gone. Maybe ಇಟ್ಟುನೇದು ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Mummy's garden. We also have fishes here. Oh, all are down, I guess. So we have two cameras here, one shooting for the video and the other one for Instagram. So this is the heel, and what has happened is this strip, this is supposed to be elastic and it's supposed to be tight. It is kind of elastic, but the tightness is gone. So what we are going to do is do some jugaad and fix this to the tightness that we want. And with this, ta-da, ta-da, so with this we are going to do some jugaad and stick it here so that it looks like the picture. We have one in dark pink and the other one in light pink. I think the light pink and this kind of like not really, I'm not sure which actually might go good. Hi you guys. So I'm filming this for the second time. I already did and then later realized that mic is not on. I have to find some solution for this. Charge goes off very quickly. However, I was new. No, I already showed you all how this looked. So this is how it turned out to be. So this is the final touch up, final look. I had to like trim off all the excess and just remain so much because so all my fingers were covering up. Like when I wore it, I mostly looked like a hen having the feathers to my feet, but not stylish. I think these are pretty good. I like it. So and with this loose thing, I just stitched the excess part together. It looks something like this. This is the final look and you cannot see the mess. This is the mess, you guys. It's like all over my body, all over the floor, and I have to clean this.
A few moments later.
So I wanted this for some reason, which I'm not going to disclose it now. I wanted this not for coffee. Obviously I don't drink coffee, but I wanted this for some other reason and I got this. We are supposed to put this cell in here. I was like, what is this? Why is it not working? Then I tried, like, I was supposed to close it like this and there's a button here and we're just supposed to press it. I got this from Flipkart. I actually thought of making sweet corn, some recipe with sweet corn, but unfortunately those sweet corn are not that great. I mean, like, not good. They are spoiled. And then I saw potatoes. So we are going to make something with potato. Hi guys. So it's the next day morning. At 10:05. So I'm having, like, as usual, I had gone out and I am having my breakfast, which is chapati, dal and little chicken that from yesterday's night. Yesterday I had rice and chicken fry. So I'm gonna have breakfast and I had something to tell.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so I have few things to do today, so I'm gonna vlog that as well. Indoor, obviously, at home. I'm done with this mic shit. I was yeah I was talking and all of a sudden it went off. I mean, like, I don't understand why maybe I'm not charging it properly for complete 4 hours. Oh no, like complete, like till it's full. It's supposed to run for 4 hours, but it's going off. And I had my breakfast, made my top messy with the dal. Anyways, I am coming up with a series in Instagram. So series in Instagram, maybe probably like hashtag 6 days 6 sari look or something of that sort. Like, so in this today I have thought of maybe doing 2 reels or maybe 3. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna shoot that. BTS of that will be here in YouTube, but the main video will be in Instagram. So if you're not following me there, go do follow there. So I have this, like, as soon as I opened my mom's cupboard, I got this one in orange, but the other one is in blue. And for your kind information, let me tell you that, so this blue sari, so pretty. So this work, all this is done by my mom. Like, she literally like she used to like sit for hours together day and night, and she used to do these kind of designs on sari, and there are so many of them, so many. So this blue is like very beautiful, so probably I'll pick this one. So it's 10:44, and we'll see which jewel can go well with this. So I have this huge bag. No, not that good ones. Oh damn, my hair is oily. How am I gonna shoot? That's Roxy, by the way. So we have this earring as well in blue. So I have this blue earrings. Probably I'll pair this up. How pretty is this? There's also this blue, something like this. This one looks better. I mean, like, this one at least seems like I've worn something. So this is my final look. So this is the final look. It's very simple, minimal look. So I'm gonna shoot for the Instagram reel and get back. See you all later. Done with done with 2 to 3 reels. But my hair is not that good, so I'm not satisfied with the outcome. So I'm not gonna shoot the next one as well. I'm gonna oil my hair now, probably sleep also, I don't know. But I finished one. I'll have to keep all the 6, maybe at least 5 ready, and then start with the series, because if something comes up in between, and again, like, if I cannot shoot and if I couldn't shoot anywhere any one day, then the series will be like will broke there, and I cannot take any gap. So it's gonna be continuous 6 days. So I'm gonna edit this and keep it ready, and maybe after my head bath, I'm gonna shoot the rest. So for today, I guess only this one. I thought I'll do 2 or 3, but my hair is not coping up, so only one. And this is the mess, you guys. Oh my goodness. I have to clean all of it, and yes. So I'm gonna end this video here. That's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.